First of all, sir, thanks a lot. It's all efforts from your side.
Thank you.
And obviously he's also. And we got the visa. And rest he's want to say something about your company and his visa.
So Ajay, how was your experience with us on top immigration? How you have been able to get your visa from us? What was the experience?
My experience went quite good with you, sir. You offered me the best course you can in the electrical field, which I admire the most, and also I got my study visa after 10 days of my biometrics.
That's great. That is in fact good because you have been the guiding force and you have been able to provide us all the documents in time. That was one of the reasons we were able to give you decent services. And again, I would like to congratulate you and
Thank you.
best of luck for your future.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.